So, welcome, beautiful people, future me, to another round of me trying to improve desperately in the spring. Today we didn't have such a run, such a good run, but the persistence is the main thing, right, to do. So, for the regular viewers, you already know I will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise to try to improve my typing, and then I will try to not lose my mind in for the 30 minutes in. Yes, they are. But there's a lot of jobs for software developers everywhere right now, like everywhere. You can spin the globe, close your eyes, point a finger, and unless you point to Antarctica, you can get a job there. Plus, you can work remotely, right? You don't even have to be in that in where the company is. Especially now, like with the corona, everyone realized that maybe people doesn't have to be sitting in the office, which is nice, if you ask me. First, yeah, don't blow the guy. That's called sexual harassment. Oh well, you know, don't. No, that's. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That is a wrong approach. I blew it. You are not there to get the job on your first interview. That's not the name of the game. Well, if you will get it, well, great, right? But it might be wrong as well. You know, you are not there to get the job. You are there to gather the information. You are there to gather to know what they are asking for. What are the questions? You should have a prepared of questions for the things you are interested in. You say it is your first interview, so the questions you would be interested in, like what is your onboarding process, like what do you do with junior developers? Do you have a prepared program or roadmap for the junior developers to improve in their craft? Does the junior developer has assigned mentor in the work which will help me to develop, and blah 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 blah. So and if it happens that you will get an offer, you just write it down and then you will compare it to the next one. So don't worry. If you get the job, nice, but I wouldn't say that's the only goal. Yeah, willing to the position, being like 3 interviews, interviews and landed the job on a 4 interview. Yeah, here we go. And we are typing. Let's go. Also, sorry for the spam. I know you didn't ask for for uh, for an advice. I do apologize for the spam. Holy fuck! Now what? Okay, I will finish this. I wanna see now. Oh, that's capital O. Don't you love fonts which you can interchange O and 0? A lot of companies are really desperate to get anyone nowadays. So that's the advantage for everyone who wants to get the job in IT. There is so little of people who are willing to do the job, and even less who are good at it. $7.29. Okay, we are getting worse and worse. 7.29. Okay, let's see. Career. View openings. And it was Android. And okay, full time. Part of the team. Search available. Folk Museum. Kotlin. Eric's Java. Etc. Data room. Data RESTful endpoints. GitLab. Okay. Google Cloud, interesting. Grafana, I don't know. Jira, of course. Swagger, Confluence, yes. Of course, as normal. Qualification, the experience with Android development. Experience with Reactive, React Flow, it's plus. Collaboration, lust for knowledge. It's current team. Do they say salary? No. Okay. Interesting. No prior, just personal purchase. Willingness to learn. That's good. And I'm going to here. Why to learn Spring? Most popular, blah blah blah, Pojo based programming model. existing frameworks. Okay, stability, RVC. Okay, lightweight. Okay. Okay, so I will change my notes here and this. My only advice here that take care only of the responsibilities part. There is a chance not to hurt person who can solve their problems. If you don't know the text, usually it doesn't matter at all. Oh yeah, that's true. They just copy paste their current text style. That's true. That's true. That's very true. Next page. F. Written by Rod Johnson. I don't care. 2 megabytes, really? That's nice. Well, the basic, okay. Mojo-based programming manual. Oh, you did redeem it already, right? Oh yeah, and I forgot. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I would almost. And there are 2 in a row. Okay. It cost nothing, right? So. Yeah, so I will activate it once we get to the programming thingy. Okay, I read this already? Demonstration flavor of environment control. Okay. God damn it, where's the coding? Okay. Cool. So we have the environment set up. That's okay. Set up Eclipse. Now what we have. Create Java project. Here we go. So we go here. Yes. Now we will activate power mode. Here we go. Now, oh. Battery. God damn it. Start the timer for that, and we want new project, and it will be OpenJDK. There would be, I don't want Spring initializer, do I? What do they say? Oh, come on. Not Spring, they're using 0.6. Okay, this is like the old way how to do this, but so I will probably just go ahead and do it with the Spring initializer. Spring default. Yeah. Next. Haha, that's cool. Common example. So this will be conduct to point artifact. Hello Spring. Spring. Maven, yes, language 11, why not? Version demo. Oh, thank you for the follow, Quirk. You might regret that later, but you're welcome. Demo. Content Spring. Yes. Next. Oh, artifact contain illegal characters. Hello. Next. Okay. I don't think we need those. What do we have? Oh really? You did add all of those? Well, we see. Lab. I don't know. That should be okay, I guess. Next. Spring IO. No. Change it to tutorials point. Here you go. And here we will have a. No, it's just like that. Okay. Okay. Finish this window. Yes. Terminate. Yes, terminate. I don't need you. Close this, and then we have just that. It's this Maven thingy. So let's see the libraries. There's a lot of stuff. We don't care about that. Oh, you're going? Okay, so have a good night, Quark. Nice to having you here. Hey, Swarm. How are ya? Now we have all of those. Let us mine up, and we will create a hello world. So I did not type at all. Where is it? Main Java hello Spring application. And he created. Oh, come on! What is wrong with? Okay. So hello world. Just finished working with a team against some JP database queries. Ah, you told me. I will leave it for a little bit longer. So here. I think we will. Maybe I want to step back and. Did I download it somewhere? I feel like I did. Did I delete it? And by it I mean the Spring thing. Whoa. Yeah, this is another tutorial. Def. Is there a Spring? No. I kind of fell a bit. Okay, so here, Codigo. Here, this is the power mode. Which you did not saw yet, but well, it costs next to nothing, so maybe well, yeah. One is complete, and we will start the next one, the other one. Probably I want to follow the tutorial to the point. I know it is a little bit outdated because they are taking it from this stuff. They are not initializing it. Or even using Maven here, right? But oh, the team is the tea is wonderful. Tea, that's one of the best tea I own. So that one is pretty nice. We had a tea time session as well today, with LED lights and people crying by laughter. That was good, I suppose. Okay, so what is the name? Well, yes, you would be able to buy something similar in the US. For you in the US, it would be Yunnan sourcing US. This is the page which you want, and something similar would be a oolong tea. It would be something from some Wui oolong, medium roasted. So, this might be it. Go away. So maybe something like this could be close to it, but I'm not sure. I would have to taste it. Resume the timer. Add required. Where do I get the libraries? You're very welcome, Swarm. Reactive cloud, or maybe I just training the no. Maybe I already have everything which I need, so we will go as you know, like, we'll see. So if we go to POM, we have what do we have? Boot, starter, and the web. Okay, and if we will be missing something, we'll just fix it on the go, I suppose. Create a project. Required libraries. What do we have? Oh, he's using JDBC, ORM, and other shit. Okay. Now add external jars button. Blah blah blah. Create source files. Yeah, let's do that. So in here, we will create a new class. Class will be called Hello World, Java, and main app. Right. So we'll do that. Java class main app as well. And okay, so here we have the I'll restart that. We have hello world, string message, setters and getters. Okay, so in the that was the hello world, right? Yes. So private string, what was it? Message. So and then getter setters. So we will generate that. Getter setter for that, yes. Bam bam, and this get message will just print it out, right? Yes. So we will. Oh, hold on. That is cheeky. That is cheeky. But we will do that. Oh, come on. Bomb. Insert, and we will say what? Your message plus message. Here we go. So we have that. Now in the main Java we will create class but XML application. Okay, so we will have a XML configuration. The beans XML is not like non-existent right now, but that is okay. So in the main app, class path XML application context. New class path. Oh, XML application context. Here we go. And that will be beans.xml. Here we go. We'll extract it to. What's the problem? Yes, but unexpected token. What do you? Oh, I know why. Because I'm dumb. Public static void main. This is where it goes, and now we can move it in here, and everyone is happy. So we will extract that to a variable. Oh, come on! Misclick the entire thing, and we don't want the final. That was shit tabulator, or what was that? How can I change that? That was alt final, not final, just that like that. Yes. Okay, and what is happening in here? So this guy can go fuck himself. This will be just application context, imported, yes please, and this will be context, right? Are we happy? I think we are, and it points to beans XML. Then we will have a object hello world context get bean. Okay, so we will have a context dot get bean, and here it will be hello world, like so. We will change. Okay, so this should be like that, and then we cast it to the hello world, like so. Okay, and now we can extract it to a variable hello world. He calls it hey kernel, how are you doing? We will change it to object just to be consistent with that, and the power mode is done. So we'll have a look in here, go, done. You're doing okay. That's good. I'm struggling today. It's one of my streamers' birthday today. I was looking for the. Oh, which streamer is that? That will be. Does he plan something special today for his stream or something? Snuffy. Okay, we will do quick detour. Snuffy. It's a VTuber. Okay. And it seems like he will be online in a little bit. So maybe I will keep it here as a distraction. The second screen. Okay. Pum. And here on this poor channel, we are struggling and we don't have a birthday. We have just spring to learn. So hello world object, and then we call on an object get message. Oh, hydrate. Hello Daria. I haven't known that you are still here. Cheers. class same old. I see. Oh, thank you, appreciate it. And here we will do object get message, like so. That's what he does. So 2 points to be noted about the main program. The first step is to create an application context. We used this method to get it. This API loads Bean's configuration file, and eventually, based on the provided API, it takes care of creating and initializing all the objects. It has Beans mentioned in configuration file. So the context creates that stuff. The second step is used to get Bean from it. Okay. Method of the created context. This method uses bean ID. Bean ID. Bean ID to return a generic object, which finally can be casted to actual object. Once you have the object, you can use this object to call class method. Sure. Now we will do the configuration file, but I can see it lives right in the source folder in here. Yeah, under the source directory, and we will. It is beans XML. Okay. So we will create that, and under the source folder, it is a XML configuration path spring config, and it will be beans. That is the name. Usually the first name is beans, blah blah blah. You have to make sure that this file is available in class path. What does fuck what? And use the same name in the main application while creating a version. Yes, sure. The beans XML is still assigned ID different. Okay, so let's see what has been generated for us. We have the version, then this guy, XLC schema location, okay, and that's it. Yes, we have exactly the same, and here he defines the bean. This is what he did. All right, so we will do that. Bean ID class, and then property. We can set up the property. Okay, so let's do that. We say bean, and class will be tutorial. Come on, tutorials point. Tab to tutorials point dot hello spring dot hello world. This is the class, and then we had ID. ID is equal to hello world, and it's prepared in here. How come? This is the question. Like if I delete this word, go back in here, and we will rename this to, oh come on, we will just Daria, and go in here. What will be the thing which, oh come on, ID. It still says hello world. Interesting. So that's maybe based on the name of the class. So we go back here and change it back to the hello world. And in the beans, we had a property tag. So insert property in oh, that's self-closing tag. Okay. I say name. That will be. I forgot. That will be in the hello world. So it is a message. So that is the message and value. Value will be world or hello world. Hello. Sorry. How come is the I didn't set it up? Oh, come on. I forgot to turn it off. Toggle power mode. Bye bye. Okay, cool. So format it and we are done. Here it says we are done. So that concludes the round number 6 and we can go further.